Welcome again, students. Today we are going to continue chapter cost and revenue analysis. In previous video, we have discussed about cost of production or economic cost. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about opportunity cost, real cost, private cost and social cost. Okay, let's start with opportunity cost. Opportunity cost. So what is opportunity cost? Opportunity cost of producing The opportunity cost of producing any good is the next best alternative that good that is given up to produce these goods. So, if we talk about the meaning of the opportunity cost in simple word, then we can say there are many resources in the economy, and those resources have many uses. Many resources in the economy, in each and every economy there are many resources, and each resources multiple uses. Okay, so in these different uses these different uses is they called opportunity. So you all know that if one opportunity is availed, then other opportunity lost. So it is the cost availing one opportunity in the terms of loss of other opportunity. Opportunity cost is the cost is the cost availing one opportunity in terms loss of other opportunity. Okay, to understand this better, we will understand from the example. Suppose I have a piece of land, and I we grow on that land, suppose sugar cane. In my this is my first opportunity, sugar cane grow karna. And if we grow rice on the same land, then this is my second opportunity. Suppose growing sugar cane is my first opportunity and growing rice is my second opportunity. Now we grow rice, then we have give up the sugar cane. If we grow the rice on that piece of land, then give up the rice. So the loss of give up for producing rice is known as opportunity cost. Okay, I hope clear. Now let's move on the real cost. Let's move on the real cost. Real cost refers to the efforts and sacrifice made by the owner of factor of production used in the production of a commodity. Real cost refers to the efforts and sacrifice made by the owners of factor of production used in the production of the commodity. Means real cost is expressed not in money terms, but in terms of efforts and sacrifice. It not money term, but measures is effort and sacrifice. That is when a producer is producing goods, what if what efforts of applying, because only by investing money to produce investing money production cannot possible. Many other efforts are necessary and sacrifice are necessary for the production process. Okay, so what will be the real cost, which we cannot measure in terms of monetary value, but it takes efforts and sacrifice. Okay, only monetary value not sufficient for the production process, other efforts and sacrifice are also necessary, are required. Okay, so efforts and sacrifice given by the producer is known as real cost. Now next is private and social cost. Private and social cost. First of private cost. Private cost refers to the cost of production incurred by an individual firm in producing of a commodity. So means private cost we can say economic cost. Private cost we can say economic cost. Economic cost, what is economic cost? Economic cost in the previous video I have already discussed, that is explicit cost and plus implicit cost. Explicit cost plus implicit cost. Here explicit cost and implicit cost here not we have discussed, because in the previous video in detail हम इसके बारे में बात कर चुके हैं. It means private cost is the cost which is paid for individual producer, or the beer itself is the total cost which an individual occurs on the production unit. That is known as private cost. Implicit cost plus explicit cost, sum total, economic cost, that is known as private cost. Okay, now we will move on. Social cost. Social cost on the other hand refers to the cost the society has to bear on account of the production of a commodity. Means this cost not bear by the producer या firms, this cost bear by the society as a whole. So the social cost is the cost that is not bear by the producer. This cost basically bear by the society as whole. For example, suppose there is a sugar cane factory. Now the chimneys of the sugar cane factory emits a lot of smoke. What happens is that there is a pollute on in the environment, and the polluted environment is harmful the society as a whole, not for producer or individual particular person, society as a whole. Okay, so that this cost is called social cost. Okay, so let's recap. Opportunity cost, next best alternative for choosing, give up करते हैं जो, that is known as opportunity cost. Real cost, producers efforts and sacrifice. Yes, real cost, producers effort and sacrifice. Real cost not measures in monetary value. Okay, now let's move on. Private cost is the economic cost. You can say economic cost. What is economic cost? Explicit cost plus implicit cost, means payment factor, non-payment factor also included. Okay, and last is social cost. Social cost is the cost which is bear by the society as a whole, not producers, not firms. Okay, this cost basically society as a whole. Okay. Okay.